morning, everyone. This is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I'm a little bit early today. I have my mom with me this week. She's still sleeping, so I thought I would just jump in here and do my quick Thursday live tutorial. Tomorrow, be watching. I have a special giveaway all month long. I have 31 prizes for the 31 days of October. And tomorrow morning I'll be posting on how you can be entered to win one of those drawings. So super excited about that. Okay, so today I have a great stamp set that I want to share with you. I'm going to go ahead and whoops, not that way. That is my sad blank wall right behind my my phone here. I'm going to flip you that way. And we're going to get this flipped down and you'll get a quick sneak peek at the stamp set we're going to be using today. Let's get everything straightened. Okay, Joyful Life. I love this set. It is just so cute. The fonts are cute. The characters are cute. This pig is my favorite. He reminds me of Harry Potter because of the round glasses and the scarf. So I'm going to do 3 cards. I'm doing one today, one Saturday, and one on Monday. So yeah, we're just going to start with our polar bear today. Well, I'm going to assume he's a polar bear. That's what I'm going with, the polar bear and the bunny for this morning. And these are all, I think they have most of the same dimensions all week, but they all look very different. So let us get started. I'm going to use one of my favorite color combinations. I have some Daffodil Delight here for our card base. And I will be posting, let me find my bone folder here. I will be posting measurements and supplies on my blog. And I have a piece of basic black for a mat. Then I have a piece of basic white to go on top. So let us stamp our polar bear. Already got him on a block. We're going to just use some Memento ink. I made some of these. This is a big stamp, so I'm just making sure I get it all covered nicely. I made some of these for thank you cards. So if you are one of my customers, and I think if you placed an order, either maybe it was the end of August or in September, you received one of these adorable little cards. Okay, now we are going to stamp our sentiment. Now I have a little black strip, and I'm going to do Friends Like You Make Life a Joy, which goes perfectly with this cute little friend image here with the bear and the rabbit. We're going to use some Versamark. I like using the Versamark and white embossing powder on black for a fun kind of a little sentiment that pops. Hopefully that's straight. I won't know until I get some powder on there. Let's pull out our white embossing powder. See how that looks. Give it a tap. Not too bad. Slightly low, but I'll go with it. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and heat that up real quick. We'll get this going. Always takes just about 15-20 seconds for the heat tool to warm up. But once it's warmed up, it just goes really quickly. All right. Perfect. All right, let's pull this out, and we're going to do just a little bit of coloring. You guys know how I feel about coloring. So we're just going to do a little bit. I'm just going to color the bear's sweater on this card. Now, if you want, you could, I'm going to do a little shading kind of behind his arms here. Maybe under there a little bit on the back. You are more than welcome to color the whole thing if you want. But, you know, with the yellow card base, this looks really cute just with the sweater colored. All right, that's all I'm going to do as far as coloring goes. I'm going to get out a little bit of our Tombow adhesive and put a very thin amount of glue there. We'll glue this down to our black mat. I like the Tombow because it lets me move it around. I don't always get things centered real well. So having a second to be able to do that really helps me. The trick is not to put too much glue on there. Okay, so for the sentiment, let's get out our paper snips. And I'm just going to cut this off. And let's trim just a hair more off of this end. Make sure that looks pretty even. And I want to put a little bit of ribbon, but I don't have Daffodil Delight ribbon. So I'm just going to color a little bit of this white seam binding with some dark Daffodil Blends markers. Well, I think that should be enough. It goes through. I don't really need to color that on the other side. Okay, so excuse my arm and my reach. I'm going to grab some snips over here. Make sure that's dry. We're going to fold this in half. It's probably a little longer than I need it to be, so let's just trim it a little bit. All right, I am going to tape this to the back of my sentiment. Do it right here. Spread it out just a hair before we tape it down. The question is, do I have any tape with me? Somewhere I do. Let's grab a little piece of tape. There's not much room here. All right. With the seam binding ribbon, it gets a little bit stiffer when you color it with the blends, which I like because it's such a soft ribbon, but then you color it and it's got a little more weight to it. All right. I think that'll work. We're going to get a couple of dimensionals, pop this up. Okay, I think 2's enough. It's not a very big sentiment. And why do I have so many dimensionals stuck to my fingers? I don't know. Okay, there's a dimensional that won't come off. All right. I've got the ones I need on there. Okay, we're going to pop this up right there. And that is it. I mean, my gosh, how quick and adorable is that? Quick and easy, and then having, I'm not embellishing with anything except a little bit of ribbon, but the embossing on here makes it a little bit shiny. I don't know if you can see that, but it does make it shiny and just sweet and simple. And that's it for today. So make sure to click subscribe tomorrow. Check in tomorrow morning. I'll have a video posted that explains all about the giveaways, lots of different ways to be entered. And then Saturday we'll come back with a sweet card using the little pig image. Can't wait. Love that one. Okay. Thanks everybody, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.